Welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you a DIY Barbie party that I did for my daughter's 5th birthday party. When I first started my YouTube channel, I always talk about the first birthday party that I did for her, which was her 4th JoJo C party. So let's get right into it. So to start off, I am creating balloon columns. If you watch any of my previous videos, I'll show you how to create clusters, and after you create the clusters, you have to combine them in order to make columns. I usually make these columns just so I can jump right into creating a balloon arch or a balloon wall, whatever I decide that I want to design for today. So in the beginning, I blow up all my balloons and create clusters, and then I combine them and make columns. So when I start applying the clusters or balloon columns to the balloon backdrop or the balloon wall, it's easy for me to put everything together. So the first step was to create the Barbie box. The second step was to create the balloon columns, and now the third step is to put up the Barbie backdrop. So when I first put up the backdrop, I had it too low, so I had to extend the backdrop in order for the actual picture of the Barbie to show in its full capacity. And after that, it's basically a breeze, so you can just follow along. I won't talk throughout this whole video because everything is pretty much self-explanatory. You basically just set up the Barbie backdrop and create your balloon wall, create your balloon garland, and that's basically it. When applying balloons to a backdrop, I find that it's better to use small balloons when you're creating your clusters in order to apply to the backdrop, because in the beginning I had big balloons that I wanted to add on the backdrop, but it was covering the Barbie word and some part of her face. So for me, I will actually create small balloons so you can add on the backdrop, just so you won't hide any words that you might have on your backdrop or any pictures that you might have on your backdrop. But it's personal preference. If you want to use big balloons, you can, but I personally like to start off with small balloons, as you can see, and now I'm adding in bigger balloons at the bottom of the backdrop, just so it won't hide any words that you might have. See, for me, I had the word Barbie. Even though I use small balloons, you can still see that part of the word Barbie isn't going to be shown, which is sort of fine for me. But for my suggestion, I would just suggest that you use small balloons just to start off. Now, in my previous videos, I showed that I had 3 command hooks on the wall. So the columns that I created in the beginning, I'm now applying to the wall. So I'm going to add 3 balloon columns on the wall, and then I'm going to combine them by using a 260 balloon, or you can use balloon string, which you can find in one of my previous videos. And then after I add the 3 columns, then I'll start filling them in with other clusters, 24-inch balloons, 17-inch balloons, 11-inch balloons, whatever balloons that you want to add, you can add after you add the 3 columns on the wall, which is considered the base or the foundation of the balloon wall.